Okay, folks, I think I know what this is. Let's see if we can make it turn up a treat. The nerds will inherit the copier world. Yes, they will, folks. Yeah, I've just been on tour recently, going to public photocopiers to do my work. So it's good to be back here doing some stuff here right here on this KM piece of shit. Let's see how we go with it. Let's see what this piece is. Looks like a piece of metal off a microwave, and we're interested in this side of it. The other side's really dirty and filthy. I hope I don't get dirt everywhere. Got to somehow move it around on the glass. Yeah, that's come up looking really quite interesting. You can just see my fingers peeping through. Yeah, so this I think comes off a microwave oven. I found it on the side of the road when I was on tour. I was on the side of the footpath or the nature strip. It was in the grass and it was all wet because it's been raining on and off for weeks now, for a couple of weeks or so. And I found this and souvenired it. It was in a suburb in Sydney called Belrose. So someone had dumped it on the side of the road or the side of the footpath or the nature strip. Yeah, whatever, folks. Right. Don't know what to do with it. It's going to go in the bin, I do think. But that's the kind of desperation I have to find materials to demo with. It's really hard finding stuff that I can get for free. I'm not rich. I can't afford to go to op shops and keep buying stuff like I used to because the cost of living has gone up really high and everything's expensive and cost and yeah. I just had my rent go up. I don't know how much it actually went up, but I just had a rent review and yeah. Come on, photocopier, hurry up. Silly. Not very well made, these equipments, I must say. Yeah, looks a bit wishy-washy. I do think this copy quality is degrading on me. It's not looking as nice as it used to. I have to darken it. Yeah, looks a bit better. Yeah, this photocopier incidentally is getting old. It's been more than 6 years since I had it installed. So yeah, it's going to get, the copy quality is indeed going to go downhill. Questioning whether I should get a technician in to get them to fix it or to advise me what to do. Let's see how we go. yeah, that's come up looking really quite interesting. Anyway, that's come up looking really quite a treat. I think we can now call this demo quits.